talking about design thinking and innovation. The topic is product design problem formation. In product design, the problem formation is the very important concept to find out the solution. The product is used by the customer, which is supplied by the entrepreneur or industry. The design of the product is advanced technology or a multidisciplinary concept generating a product and used by the customer. So the customer needs, we need to understand the important stage in the product design to fulfill the customer needs. So identify the user needs for which you need to do some research and analysis. What are the steps in problem formation in product design? You have to conduct some research, interview, surveys, observations, like you need to understand. So you need to understand the user needs and the desires of the user. So summarize the insights from user research into a clear statement. Okay. So understand the market competition, market survey, technological constraints while designing, while generating a product. So we need to examine also the problem, the environmental problem, societal problem, economic impacts, and different perspectives we need to look into them in problem formation. Okay. So we need to take some assumptions with potential users and stakeholders and feedback and refine the problem definition. Tools and techniques in problem formation, we can follow different tools available. 5 whys method, fishbone diagram, stakeholder mapping, problem statement, canvassing, jobs to be done, SWOT analysis, mind mapping, user personas, empathy mapping, customer journey mapping. 5 whys method will find out while asking repeatedly 5 whys, the root cause of the problem we can find out. The effect of the root cause can be identified in fishbone diagram, converging into the root cause. The stakeholder mapping, we need to understand the needs of the stakeholder, different customers. Okay. User persona, if you look into the user, define the target users. That means the different types of users, we need to understand their desires. Empathy mapping, understand the user emotions and the experience, that you get the empathy mapping. In customer mapping, journey mapping also, we identify the pain points of user interactions. In user interaction, by interacting with the customer, we can find out the pain points, the difficulties in journey mapping. So this is all about 5 whys method, why it is happening. So see, date for the work, why it is so, woke up late, why it is so, alarm did not work, why it is so, battery exhausted, why it is so, forget to check, why it is so. So we can find out the root cause. In fishbone diagram, from all the causes converging into one point, the problem formation. In mapping, we can find out the low profile, high profile, the interest and influence and all mapping, stakeholder map. In jobs to be done, there are functional aspects and emotional aspects. And in emotional aspects, a personal dimension and a social dimension. This is what emotional and functional aspects are involved in jobs to be done. Thank you.